Hello friends, I am Atul Gadam. This video is for 10th standard. Name of content is trigonometric ratios. Here trigonometric basic ratios are sine, cos, tan, cot, sec and cosec. This chapter is depend on these six basic ratios. Sin theta means opposite side upon hypotenuse, cos theta is adjacent side upon hypotenuse, tan theta is opposite side upon adjacent side, cot theta is adjacent side upon opposite side, sec theta equals to hypotenuse upon adjacent side, and cosec theta equals to hypotenuse upon opposite side. Then sin theta and cosec theta, these are inverses of each other, means 1 upon sin theta is equals to cosec theta and 1 upon cosec theta equals to sin theta. Here sin theta into cosec theta, that is equals to 1. Next formula is cos theta and sec theta are inverses of each other, means 1 upon cos theta is equals to sec theta and 1 upon sec theta equals to cos theta. Then cos theta into sec theta, that is equals to 1. Similarly, tan theta and cot theta are inverses of each other, means 1 upon tan theta equals to cot theta, 1 upon cot theta equals to tan theta, and tan theta upon cot theta tan theta into cot theta, that is equals to 1. जैसे आगे के फॉर्मूले हैं, जैसे हम स्टेप उतरते हैं, जैसे कि साइन थीटा अपॉन कॉस थीटा इक्वल्स टू टैन थीटा, यानी आपको कहीं अगर साइन और कॉस मालूम है तो साइन थीटा के वैल्यू को अगर कॉस थीटा के वैल्यू से डिवाइड किए तो हमें टैन थीटा मिलेंगे, यानी टैन थीटा इक्वल्स टू साइन अपॉन कॉस. वैसे ही कोसेक थीटा अपॉन सेक थीटा, दैट इज इक्वल्स टू कॉट थीटा. वो स्टेप उतरते समय. और चढ़ते समय कैसे है, कॉस थीटा अपॉन साइन थीटा, दैट इज इक्वल्स टू कॉट थीटा, and sec theta upon cosec theta, that is equals to tan theta. This one is a simple trick for remembering these all formulae. We will take next example. Here the example is from R.D. Sharma, page number 10.5 and example number 4. What is example number 4? In a triangle ABC, right angled at B, means triangle ABC's angle B is a right angle. AB is equals to 12 and BC equals to 5. What is given? In triangle ABC, angle B is a right angle, AB is a 12 and BC is a 5. Then find the remaining trigonometric ratios, which sin A, tan A, cos C and cot C. Here important thing is a sin A and cot tan A we want to find, means A are acute angle. Cos C and cot T also we want to find, means here angle C is an acute angle, means B is a right angle, angle A and angle C are the acute angles. This one is a triangle ABC where the angle B is equals to 90 degree, length of AB is a 12 and length of BC is equals to 5. Here what we know, in triangle ABC, AB is equals to 12, BC equals to 5 and angle B is a 90 degree. Then use the Pythagoras theorem for finding the AC. How? In triangle ABC, angle B is a 90 degree. Then by using the Pythagoras, AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. Then AC square is equals to 12 square plus 5 square. AC square is equals to 12 square is 144 plus 5 square is 25, means AC square equals to 144 plus 25, AC square that is equals to 169, AC square 169 is the square of 13, so the AC square equals to 13 square, therefore AC is equals to 13. Here in the triangle ABC, angle B is 90 degree, then by the Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. Then AC square equals to AB square means 12 square plus BC square means 5 square. AC square equals to 144 plus 25. Their addition will be 169. AC square equals to 169. Then AC square is a 13 square. AC equals to 13. Here we know all three sides of triangle ABC. Then find the trigonometric ratios which they ask. First one is a sine A. Sine A. Then according to angle A. What is meant by sine A? Sine A means opposite side upon hypotenuse according to the angle A. Which one is the opposite side? Opposite side is a BC upon hypotenuse. Which one is a hypotenuse? That is a AC. BC upon AC. What is the value of BC? BC is a 5 and AC is a 13. Then sine A means 5 upon 13. Then second they ask, second ratio is find tan A. Second ratio is also related to the angle A. What is tan A? Tan A means opposite side upon adjacent side. What is the opposite side? Which one is the opposite side? BC is their opposite side. BC is the opposite side and adjacent side is a AB. BC by AB. What is the BC? BC for 5 and AB for 12. Then third ratio they ask, what is the cos C? Cos C. Third ratio is related to the angle C. What is meant by angle C? Cos ratio. Cos means adjacent side. Adjacent side upon hypotenuse. Adjacent side upon hypotenuse. Whose adjacent side? C's adjacent side. Which one is the C's adjacent side? BC is their adjacent side upon hypotenuse. What is the BC? BC is a 5 and hypotenuse is a 13. 5 upon 13. Then fourth ratio is find cot C. Fourth ratio is cot C. Fourth ratio is related to angle C. Cot C. Cot means adjacent side upon opposite side. Whose adjacent side? Adjacent side upon opposite side. Whose adjacent side? Angle C's adjacent side. Angle C's adjacent side is a BC upon AB. Here take the name. What is the name of hypotenuse? AC. What is the length of BC? BC is a 5 and AB is a 12. In this triangle, we know the two sides of triangle. Then find the remaining third side and then find the trigonometric ratios which we want. Thank you, friends.